Welcome back, YouTube. I hope you're all having a great day. We are at a part in the challenges where they want us to get to know Git and its features. So the last level, as well as the following levels, will be all about Git. And the descriptions will be the same as well. Just the number corresponding to the level will change each time. So a short level overview. There is a Git repository, which we will git clone, and then access via SSH. Under the Bandit28-git user at this location. The password for the user Bandit28-git is the same as for the user Bandit28. We need to clone the repository and find the password for the next level. Let's head over to the terminal. We first want to create a destination directory under /temp. We change into this directory. And now, similarly to the previous video, we will use git clone to clone and access the repository. Remember to add the right port number. We hit enter, we type yes. We copy the Bandit28 password, which I stored locally. And the cloning is done. We change into this repo. So you might notice the name of this file, readme, is the same as in the previous level. A Git repository will almost always come with a readme file, which is meant to state the description of the repository and how to use it. Now, the contents of this file are the following: some notes and the credentials for the next level, but the password is obscured. Now you might think, what other ways exist to obtain extra information? Because here, we only see a file that doesn't display our password. Remember, this is a Git repository or a Git project. These projects are mainly used for group members working on the same code files. So this means these previous versions of this readme file, which are not directly shown to us, could contain extra information. So let's first see the logs of the changes made. We will do this by using the git log command, which shows commit logs. A commit is a change made to a file and uploaded to the central Git repository. We don't need to specify any extra information for this command, since this relates to the entire project. And here we see 3 changes made. These are displayed from newest to oldest. We see the different authors, the different dates, and the different log messages. Now, to see the previous versions of a file, or which changes were made, we will use the git show command. Git show shows various types of objects, and we want to see the commits. And now we will need to specify which commit we want to see. So let's start with the first one. So here we can see the readme file was added. Since this is in green, this is all new information, but we don't see our password. Let's try the next one. And here we obtain our password. We see that this line was deleted and this line was put in place of it. Now for completion, let's see the last commit. And here we see the last version of this file, which was displayed to us earlier. So let's log out and register our completion of level 28. We can log out by either typing logout, exit, or hitting Ctrl D. We log in to the next level with the password we just obtained. We successfully logged in. To register our completion of level 28, we type the rechal command. Congratulations on completing level 28. You rock! Thank you for watching this video. Please show your support and hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications to keep up to date with our next achievements.